Okay, I'm going to give you an example of a vehicle that I just did a service on, and this individual, I've informed a couple times that they should replace their battery. Hold on, I'm going to show you the test results. Okay, this vehicle right here, I've told the individual this twice that the battery should be replaced in this vehicle. The battery is 7 years old. It came with this vehicle when it was new. It's a 2013. And this Snap-on battery tester, I really love it because what it does is it doesn't load the battery when it tests it. What it does is it tests for continuity between each cells. Each cell should be individual of itself. And what happens over time during the chemical process that happens when a battery discharges and recharges is that the cells will sulfate. And when they do this, they short internally. What this tester does, if it gives you a heads up, now you can see with this battery, it says it's got 12.59 volts available. That's great. 406 of the original 525 cranking amps are available, and it's at 77% capacity. So with this vehicle, as much as I say, you should replace your battery. Only thing the customer's hearing is that it's turning the car over fine and they don't think it needs a battery until the day it will not start. You hear that annoying click, click, click noise and it will not turn over. It's not if, but when. It's either going to be a really cold morning or it's going to be a hot summer day. Either way, the battery can fail. So if you're not getting your battery tested with routine maintenance, you should be. If that battery in your vehicle is 4 or 5 years old, it tests good, that's fine. Anything can happen. I personally, if my battery's testing on the edge and it's 5 years old, I'm going to just replace it. The other thing to think about too is when you got a nice fresh battery in there, everything in your vehicle electrically basically doesn't have to work as hard. Now, your starter, if it doesn't have the current available to turn that itself over, it's starved for current, and that makes it work that much harder and it wears it out quicker. Along with the alternator has to work harder to replenish the battery's energy, so to speak. But until next time, I hope this video has helped you better understand how important the battery is in your car. It's basically, without the battery, your car is not going to run. So until next time, like and subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed the video and drive safely out there.